Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Aksa Zafar and today we are going to explore large language models or LLMs. I have put together a step-by-step roadmap to help you learn about these amazing models. So without any further delay, let's get started. So what exactly are LLMs? Imagine super smart computer programs that can understand and create text just like humans do. They learn from tons of books, articles, and websites. For example, GPT-3 is a popular LLM with 175 billion parameters, which help it answer questions, write stories, and more. But remember, these models are not perfect and might have some biases. People are working hard to improve them and use them responsibly. To work with LLMs, you will need a few key skills. First, you should be good at programming, especially in Python. You will also need to understand how computers handle language and work with large amount of data. Being familiar with cloud platforms like AWS or Azure will help you manage these big models efficiently. Aside from technical skills, there are some soft skills that can make a big difference. Pay close attention to details. This is crucial when working with data. You will also need to explain your work clearly to people who might not be tech experts and stay curious and creative. The tech world changes quickly, so keep learning and thinking of new ideas. Let's outline our roadmap for learning about LLMs. I will walk you through each step so you can follow along easily and start working with these cool models. So, are you excited to begin? Let's jump right into exploring large language models together. First, get to know the basics of LLMs. These models are powerful tools that learn from large datasets to handle different language tasks. They are used in many applications and are in high demand, making them a great area to explore. Before jumping into LLMs, make sure you have a good foundation. Get comfortable with basic programming concepts like variables and loops. Python is key for most AI work, so be sure you are confident with it. Also, understand fundamental machine learning concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning. To get started with Python, check out Python for Everybody on Coursera. Another helpful resource is Python Crash Course. For learning data analysis, Pandas documentation is a great guide. You can check. Links to these resources are in the description. You can check them out. Next is natural language processing. This field focuses on how computers work with human language. Start by learning basic text processing with libraries like NLTK or Spacy. Understanding how to break text into smaller pieces is also important, which is also known as tokenization. For NLP courses, I recommend natural language processing specialization on Coursera and become a natural language processing expert on Udacity. These courses will give you a strong foundation in NLP techniques. Resources links are in the description. You can check. Now it's time to learn about deep learning. Start by understanding neural networks and how they work. Learn about different layers and activation functions. Choose a framework like TensorFlow or PyTorch to practice building and training neural networks. For deep learning, try deep learning specialization on Coursera. Deep learning in Python on DataCamp is also great for hands-on experience. If you are interested in PyTorch, Intro to Deep Learning with PyTorch on Udacity is a good option. You will find the links to these resources in the description. Now it's time to explore pre-trained models. These are models that have already been trained on large datasets. GPT-3 is a great example. Learn what these models can do and be aware of their limitations. It's also important to consider the ethical aspects of using these powerful tools. At this step, it's time to apply what you have learned. Try working on projects like sentiment analysis to see how LLMs can understand emotions in text. Experiment with text generation to create new content and explore language translation to see how LLMs handle different languages. Fine-tuning is about adjusting a pre-trained model to fit your specific needs. Learn how to fine-tune a model and follow best practices to get the best results. This step is crucial for making the model work well on your particular tasks. It's important to know how to interpret the outputs from LLMs. Learn to decode what the model generates. handle any uncertainties, and analyze errors to improve your model's performance. The world of AI is always changing. Keep yourself updated by following AI experts and reading blogs. Join AI groups to share ideas and learn from others. Going to conferences and workshops can also help you stay ahead. Working with large language models can be tricky with challenges like overfitting and ethical concerns. Learn how to fix common problems and see mistakes as chance to learn and improve. To keep learning, you could take the Introduction to Large Language Models course on Coursera or Generative AI with Large Language Models also on Coursera. These courses give you helpful information on how to work with LLMs. Resources links are in the description. You can check. Great job on completing the roadmap. You now have a good understanding of how to begin learning and working with large language models. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to start working with LLMs. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a like and share it with others. Your support helps me make more content like this. See you in the next one.